What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Akila, and Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem to every single one of you who are observing this beautiful month this year. So in celebration and commemoration of Ramadan, I've decided to show you guys my two favorite and more updated, trendy, chic ways that I'm going to be tying my headscarf this Ramadan. So the first way is this more traditional kind of a classic way, and the second is going to be a little bit more trendy. It's this look over here using a hat. So if you want to know how I achieved these two looks, keep watching. Okay, so this first style is super easy, and this is going to be my go-to this Ramadan for sure, because it's really simple, it's low in volume, and it goes perfectly underneath a hat. So all you need is a wide rectangular scarf, preferably in a thin non-slip material, and then you're going to take it back and tie it at the back underneath your bun or your what do you call those things, the rose thing. And then of course you're left with these two ends over here, so you're just going to throw them backwards, and then you can obviously wear it just sort of like that. And what I like about this style is that it's of course earring friendly, so you can cover up as much of your ears as you want but still show off your earring and complete the look with your favorite hat. So what I love about this style, because it's low volume and you're keeping your bun low and everything is like very small, and the scarf is thin and it's very simple, and all the work is at the back, at the bottom, you can basically wear any hat and it's not like uncomfortable. Previously I used to wear my scarves like sort of tied to the back and like try and stuff my bun in there, and it just gets like way too complicated. But this is so easy, so quick, so simple, and it looks super chic. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so moving along to look number 2, you're also going to use a rectangular non-slip slightly thin scarf. I'm using this one over here, and you're going to take the end of it, so not the longer sides, the shorter sides, and you're going to throw it over your head this way, kind of like a veil, like you're a bride. And you're going to take it underneath your bun like this, and then you're going to have kind of like a, almost like a Mother Teresa vibe going on over here. And then you'll need a pin, and you're just going to pin it at the back like so. And then you're going to bring your little veil situation over like so, and you're going to just take it over like this, and then just secure this one over here with a pin as well. And then you can just sort of fix your final draping like this. I really like my turtleneck sticking out like that, and that's your final look. It's as simple as that. So that is it from me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something. As always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave me some love in the comment section below. And if there are any other tutorials or Ramadan content that you want to see this month, please let me know in the comment section as well. If you guys have any cool Ramadan goals as well, or anything you feel like you can recommend or that's changing your life, please let me know in the comment section too. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'd love to see what you're all up to and how you're going to be spending this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.